Hi, this is Will from ProBackup, and in this video I will show you how you can start backing up your HubSpot data. As you can see here, I'm already logged into a demo account of HubSpot with just a few contacts and other information. And to get started, you can click here on the menu bar on App Marketplace to go to the HubSpot Marketplace, and then you type in ProBackup to find our app, and if you then click here, you are redirected to our website. If you don't have a ProBackup account yet, you can click here on Start Now to create your ProBackup account first and then add HubSpot to your account. In this case, I do already have an account, so I'll just click on Sign In to go to my ProBackup account. Once logged in, I can click here on New App, then on HubSpot to go to the first step of the onboarding process. As you can see here, it's a simple 4-step process. In the first step, you will need to authorize ProBackup so that we can access your HubSpot account. So I'll click on Login with HubSpot. If you're not logged in yet to HubSpot, you will first need to log in. In this case, I was already logged in. And then you can select the account that you would like to backup. Then you need to scroll down, agree to the terms, click on Connect App. And then you're redirected to the onboarding process. On the third step, you can choose if you want to sync your data backups to your Google Drive accounts. So the way it works is that every 24 hours, we will backup automatically all of your HubSpot data and store that information with heavy encryption on our own servers. And then in the second step, you have the option to sync all of that information to your Google Drive folder. So in that case, we will create a dedicated Google Drive folder in your accounts and then sync all of your contacts, deals, and so on to dynamic Google Sheets. If you want to know more about this feature, then I suggest checking out our YouTube channel, because there is a video with a bit more information about the Sync to Google Drive feature. For now, I'll skip this, and then I'm already at the last step of the onboarding process. If you then click on Start Backup, then the first backup is already being created. So it's a very simple and quick process. As of this point, you don't have to do anything anymore. And depending on your account, like the amount of data you have in your HubSpot account, it can take up to a few hours before the first backup is complete. And once that is done, you will receive an email from us with a message, and then you can log into your ProBackup account and access your backed up data. As you can see here, the data is already slowly being pulled in from HubSpot and on its way. So that's it to get started. If you want to know more about features and functionalities of ProBackup, then I suggest checking out our YouTube channel for more videos on this. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.